Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have a bunch of swatches that I'm going to go through. Recently I did order from Jackson's Art, and so if you missed it you can go check out my haul video. But yeah, today we're just going to go over some of those paints that I bought, and most of them were from Schmincke, the Schmincke Watercolors. And let's see, I am excited to test these out. Let's see, this one was Yellow Raw Ochre. And the next one is the quinacridone Magenta. Let's see, or you know what, I think the Naples Yellow Reddish. I think this one, is there anything else? I got a couple here. These are cool tones. Okay, so we'll go with that one. Naples Yellow Reddish for that one. I'm trying to put them in somewhat of an order in my in my Schmincke set that I already have. I'm trying not to get confused with all these colors. See, this one I already have. This was the 12 set, and I'm just going to put all my extra colors in here as I open them, but I don't want to get confused with the names. Ooh, that's really nice. I like that one a lot. Again, I bought these two colors in mind for my beach scenes. This would also be really nice if somebody did portraits for skin tones, because that could easily be mixed with like burnt sienna or burnt umber too, for deeper skin tones. Okay, back to quinacridone Magenta, which is this little guy here. And I thought that would be pretty for, I do a lot of florals. That is really pretty. Try to keep these in the order that I'm putting them in. That was the Yellow Ochre, that one, and then that one. Okay. And this is the gold brown. Really pretty as well. And let's see, this one is the Opera Rose. Okay, and I do apologize a little bit if you hear like birds and cars. I have the windows open because it's like a sauna in my little room here. It's just very, very humid. Let's see. So Opera Rose. Ooh, I love that one. It's so pretty. It's like a super bright pink. three blues and, or well, this is a bluish green. Okay, so I'll do the green. This one's olive green yellowish. Okay. Oh, here it is. That's the pink and the green. That is nice. It's a little bit more muted and toned down. And then this Prussian green I'm really excited for. I had a little sample of this one, so I know what this one looks like. I really like this one. Oh, that's pretty nice. Blue-green there. And then, what is this? That helio turquoise. I think that's how you say that. It's really pretty. Nice bright blue. And then ultramarine violet. I think I really wanted that, I forget now, I looked at so many. Was it that daft blue? That might have been the White Nights. Yeah, I think that might have been the White Nights, but a lot of the colors were sold out because there was a big sale. So the closest I could find, where'd it go, to the color I wanted was the ultramarine violet. Put it over here. It's too much water. That's pretty. That's like a purplish blue. That's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to let them dry up just for a minute. And this is like my old White Nights, just on a scrap sheet here, because that was all Schmincke. And I only have 3 White Nights to add to this, so I should have made them smaller, but that's okay. I'm going to squeeze them on here somewhere. Let's see, this one's Raw Sienna. Seeing all my White Nights I have in these little tins. Let's see. I'll squeeze her in here. Ooh, that is nice. A nice sandy color. pretty blues. See, that was the only like warmish tone. My other ones are cool here, so we have Blue Lake. Guess we'll squeeze it in here. Ooh, that's really pretty. Whoa, is that vibrant? That's a new favorite for sure. It is like a really, really rich, I'm trying to think, it's just like a really, really deep, rich blue. That is beautiful. I like that a lot. It'd be really pretty for deep water, nighttime scene. There's a tiny bit of purple in there, but not like, there's definitely more purple in the Schmincke one. The white nights are definitely more pigmented than the Schmincke ones have a softer feel. But depends on how you're feeling at the moment. If you want like a traditional watercolor look or something a little bit more opaque. See, that's pretty too. That's, did I say which? Oh, that was that Indanthrone. Sometimes it's Indanthrone. Whatever you want to call it. That's a pretty one. That's almost like a little bit lighter than an indigo. That's really pretty too. Yeah, the other one is definitely brighter, and as it's drying I can see the purple now. Yeah, so Blue Lake and then Indanthrone one. They're both really pretty. Yep, I definitely love my blues. I'll try to show some close-ups because I know here I'll water it out a little bit. It probably just looks like black on camera. There. There's that one. And I'll water this one down. Yep, very, very pretty. Yay! Okay, so definitely happy with the white nights. I'm just going to gently let that dry off onto the side. And then we're going to come back to the Schmincke one. And I think off camera really quick, I am just going to take these and put them like next to the color here. Just so they're a little bit more organized. And there we go. That's about the closest I'm going to get there to being neat and organized. Yeah, I am really happy with how the colors look. And again, this is only like one pass for the Schminckes, and they're definitely a little bit more transparent than like the white nights that I was showing before. And this I'm going to have to go through later. And I still have 3 more spots here for if I wanted any more of the little Schminckes. And then I'll have to make a separate little sheet to put in there as well. And then I just have my white nights in those. So overall, I am really happy with my purchases. And yeah, everything was from Jackson's Art. And I will have links down below. I always link my favorites. And if you are interested, you can receive 10% off your first order at Jackson's. I do have an affiliate link if you wanted to save some money there. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like the video and stay tuned for more, because I will be using all these colors in upcoming tutorials. And I did go ahead And off camera, I reset some of the colors here, tried to make a little bit more sense of that. Just kept the warmer ones up top and the cooler ones down bottom. And then of course I had to redo my little swatch chart here for my set.